How to change color of icon on iPhone on iOS 26. Guys, go to your iPhone like this and tap on any open place until it comes up like this. Tap on this edit button, then tap on customize. Tapping on customize brings you to this interface. You have the tinted. With the tinted, it looks like this, where you can adjust all these color of the screen to suit your purpose. Then you also have this dark mode that everything will turn to dark. You have this button that says light. With the light, you can as well change it. Then you have so many options here that you can use under tinted. Then here we have clear button. You can see that the clear button has changed. You have the dark mode under clear, you have the light mode under clear, then you have the dark button here. So with this dark button, you have the auto and the always. You can see it here, guys. Now under that, you have the defaults. Now defaults, it brings all the color on your iPhone like this. So that's all, guys. Once you've done that, then tap on out like this. With all these, guys, you'll be able to change and customize the look of app color on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.